Okay, guys, we're gonna do this challenge thing. Hold on, let me turn this on. Yeah, there. Yeah, okay. We're gonna do this challenge type of thing. I don't know if y'all have ever seen Good Mythical Morning. You probably haven't. So, one person. So there's a box, and there's a slime ingredient inside. And one person looks at it, and the other person looks at the person that's looking at it. So that the person that's looking at it will have emotion or something, or you can just you can have a idea of how you're doing it. Like if it's something good, you could do something like you can go or something like that. But pretty much you're just deciding if you want to switch boxes with each other or not. So, like, do you want the box or do you not want the box? Yeah. So, that's how it's gonna work. We're, Avery's mom is putting this stuff in a box right now, so we don't know what it is. And there's a camera there and here, so. So do I look at both of them?
No. Or, yeah,
look at both of them. Aren't you supposed to look at me, though? Because I do the expressions.
Okay, now. I'm gonna keep.
Okay. Look at the box. I wanted that one. I wanted that
I know
one.
you looked at this. These are storage containers.
Ta-da! I got this one. And she
Okay.
got this one.
Yeah, I got a cool one.
Yeah, I got the cool one.
So my mom's gonna put another one in the boxes, and it's gonna be my turn.
Go ahead.
Oh,
Okay, so
So it is my turn to look, and I'm gonna look in both of the boxes and determine whether I want just facial expressions.
how you doing, Avery?
I'm doing great. Okay. I can't keep a straight face.
I'm gonna stay.
Okay.
Oh no, wait, hold on. Or am I? I'm gonna switch.
Thank you.
Oh,
I got peppermint.
I got lemon. I
There's
like
like
lemon.
barely any in here, Mom.
I like lemon.
I like
It's
peppermint.
a lemon scent, and this is
I got
a
peppermint.
I like lemons, so
Okay.
that'll
So
work.
so far I have a container and some extract. So we'll see you when the next round goes.
Yeah. I forgot about this camera.
So now Destiny's gonna look in the box.
What's in the box? Anyways. That's where they were, right? Yeah. Okay, I'm ready.
Oh, since I since I stayed last time, I'm gonna switch.
Thank gosh, I wanted
No! What is that? Oh god!
googly eyes.
I got silly string.
I got googly eyes. So now she has
silly string.
Silly string. So,
We'll see you next round.
well,
The googly eyes look good and clear.
They're gonna make.
oh,
It's my turn to look.
oh, jeez. Ah, Lord. What is it? What does it have to be, Avery? Is it good or bad?
Okay.
Okay, so. I'm gonna switch.
Okay.
Green. Dang it, man.
You wanted yellow?
Yes.
I wanted green.
I wanted yellow.
We're like total opposite.
But it's still fine. I
Yeah,
can.
mine's
still
gonna
do-
look like cheese, but
Mine's gonna be a lime instead of a lemon. So, I guess that's fine. Yeah. Well,
and mine was Christmas colors. Dang it. So
we're agreeing to switch colors.
Since mine's gonna be peppermint smell, then I'm gonna go.
And mine's gonna be lemon. So we
So-
thought that we would switch. It would be better.
And it's okay with the judge, who's
Yeah,
mom.
the
So.
judge. Right? Yeah, you're good.
So far, Destiny, what do you?
I have this container. This one, lemon extract, googly eyes, and yellow. So
And I have this container, green food coloring, silly string, peppermint extract. So we'll see you in the next round.
yay! It's my turn. So close your eyes, brethren. Look at this one first. I could say like this, but I can't. Oh, this is a toughie. This is a toughie. I think I know what I want though. Okay, turn on.
Okay. It's my thing.
What are you thinking, Avery? You gotta tell the people what you're thinking.
I think I'm gonna.
Which one do you think I want?
I think I want this one, and well, I don't know which one you want, but I'm gonna stay.
Okay. Yay!
Did you get cornstarch?
Yeah. This is
I'm
what
okay
I
with
want.
slime. I mean, I wanted clear slime, but you know,
I mean, it'll still be sort of clear. Just be like gray. If it
gray.
well, not gray. Well, I got cornstarch,
I got shaving cream.
so
We'll see you in the next round.
I guess. Welcome back. It's the next round. I don't know
I don't
because I
know.
didn't keep up.
So
It's Avery's turn. So.
my turn to look. So
Yeah.
Destiny will go away.
I guess I could just close my eyes.
Oh,
this
you
way.
scared! I thought you were looking. I was like, no.
No, my eyes
Okay.
are shut. I'll go like this if you don't believe that they're not shut.
Okay.
It's bright. I'm singing into your soul. I'm gonna switch.
Okay.
Wait. I guess Jesus. Oh, I missed. Oh.
So
I
I
think
got
I know.
Borax.
Oh, yeah. When I picked it up, I knew.
And she got tied. I mean, like,
It's not that bad, but it's gonna turn
slime's not gonna be
green.
yellow anymore.
If it's
It's gonna turn green, isn't? Does yellow and blue
unless
make
I-
green?
yes.
Yeah, okay, I forgot.
Well, if I
So I got Borax and she got tied. And
Yeah.
We'll see you in the next round.
round 7. Here we go. Here we go.
I'm gonna close my eyes.
Now I'm scared. I don't know which one I would want. Oh. You're free.
all in blind. Okay. Let me see. I think. Let me see.
I know which one I want.
I think I wanna. I think I'm gonna keep.
Yes.
Whoa, whoa, whoa,
No, you said keep.
This glitter is awful. This glitter is awful.
Get
I hate
this
this
one.
glitter.
Get this one. Isn't it colorful?
I hate this glitter. Okay, well, round 7 was a fail. So
I'm
we'll see
happy.
in the next round.
You're good.
Stop. Okay.
There's one here too, so it's good.
I wanted this fairy dust.
So it's gonna be glue,
We know
right?
it's gonna be glue,
Yeah.
but we don't know where the clear glue is or the white glue is. But I'm about to find out. So,
Which
close your eyes.
which one would you prefer at this?
Well,
Right.
it really doesn't matter anymore because I have
I want
shaving
blue.
cream. So like,
I want white.
I guess I want like clear, even though like it's gonna turn white. But
Glitter.
so
Your bag. The suspense. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Make sure you're showing them what it is.
I did.
Okay. I got my nose squished. You ready?
Yeah.
Almost there.
You gonna stay?
Yeah.
Yay!
Yay! Got what I wanted. So I guess we make the slime now, right?
Yeah. So we'll show you the ingredients one
got.
last time.
Oh, okay. We're
So,
doing glitter first.
My
okay.
ingredients are, I got gold glitter, I got clear glue, I got this container, I got shaving cream,
Cornstarch.
I got silestring,
Googly eyes.
I got borax, and peppermint
I have
extract.
lemon and I have yellow. And you
Oh, and I have green. And we're
So-
gonna store them in here, but we're gonna make it in these bowls. So
Yeah.
we'll keep you updated.